My mom and I are at the vet. She's picking up medicine for my dog. And then we're going to go to the hairdresser. We get our hair done by the same lady because she's like, oh, amazing. Amazing. And so we both have appointments today. So we're on our way to get our hair cut and stuff. I don't really feel like I need a haircut, but I don't know. I got my hair cut and I got bangs put in. See? At first I was like, what? Because normally when I think of bangs, I think of like straight across cool bangs, but I like this too. It works. And I got some french fries because I like french fries.
No, because it's getting pressurized.
Uh-oh.
Hear it? Keep going. Sometimes it just takes a while for the gel to get into the metal.
Doggies! Doggies! You guys look scary.
Yeah, they do slow motion stuff.
Oh, I saw the one where they make like a whole orchestra out of Coke bottles.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, I saw that one.
Yeah, that's with Mentos and
Yeah.
that's what it is. It's
Yeah.
cool.
You have the cap.
That is so cool. That is insane.
You should take it and shake it up real fast and see what happens.
I have a whole nother thing of Mentos. Look at that. It almost shot the whole bottle out.
That is just remarkable.
That was pretty cool, huh?
Like, who thought of
And then
that?
there's nasty Mentos in the bottom.
I love Mentos.
Not after this. So tomorrow we'll bring another. Dude, they had buy two get one free too. I should have bought like three Cokes.
All right.
That was cool.
So that was that. You can't see it though.
No.
So tell us, young lady, what do you think about this affair going on?
I think the person who is filming this right now is making this all up.
This is a really cool rainbow effect around your light, actually. Oh, you can see it. It's getting. Well, you can't see it on.
I hit it!
Knock it over.
First try.
Yeah, you're amazing.
You're darn right I am. Didn't do anything.
Seriously. Oh yeah, see how contorted it is? It's totally like contorted laying on its side. What do you got on this thing? Oh, a
It's a
dangly.
Grim Reaper.
It's a dangly.
Yeah.